The American College of Financial Services established the Maury Stewart Lecture Series in 2008 through the generosity of individuals and the Penn Mutual Life Insurance Company to honor an industry legend, esteemed colleague, and mentor to countless men and women. These lectures bring some of the nation's top thought leaders from diverse disciplines to address issues critical to leadership development and serve as a lasting tribute to Maury's commitment to lifelong learning. Maury passed away in 2022. Maury Stewart will always be remembered for his exemplary 67 years of service in the life insurance and estate planning industry, his loyalty to his family, and to the profession he loved. Maury served his country with honor, sacrifice, and distinction in the Air Force during the Korean conflict, where he completed over 50 missions in B-29s before being reassigned as a personal affairs officer, where he helped provide benefits for families suffering from the loss of a loved one. Recognized by the American College for his numerous contributions of time, talent, and treasure, he received the 2017 Solomon S. Huebner Gold Medal, the highest honor awarded by the college. This lecture series honors Maury's values, integrity, and passions, and is a tribute to his lasting legacy.